Hello, welcome back to my channel. Here we are at Gading Riverview apartment. Today, I want to show you how to do social distancing in the lift. Let's go up. Going up cannot. Let's go down instead. Here it comes. Okay, we got 6 sticker steps on this lift. Okay, first you must stand like this. Your feet must follow the direction. Okay, let's go down to basement 2. We watch the numbers. Okay, here we are at basement 2. Looks empty. Let's go to ground. You need a key card. There we go. Okay, to push the buttons, I'm using this glove for my safety. If you don't use any glove, you must do this. Just like this. There. Okay. There it goes. Let's see here. Again, you must doing this to push the button if you don't wear any gloves. It's like this. It's like this. Let's see here. Over there are the service lifts. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.